How to load paper in HP-NY 6120E. Stick your finger into the notch at the bottom of the paper tray and pull it toward you. Grab the handle of one of the paper guides and set the paper guides a little bit wider than your paper stack width. Use paper size markers on the paper tray surface as a guidance. Take your paper stack, put in the paper tray, and push toward the printer until it hits the block. Align the paper stack with paper guides. Don't press on the paper stack too much. Then push the paper tray inside of the printer. Finally, extend the output tray and unfold it completely. After you've pushed the paper tray into the printer, you can modify your paper settings. Tap Modify and set your paper size and type. You can change the paper settings anytime. To do this, tap the menu button, scroll a little bit down, and tap Trace, and tap Modify, and change your paper settings. Thanks for watching.